expect this number to grow. Our customers are looking to improve their communication through personalization, and CDP helps fill that gap. As companies add this into their communication work stream, I hope that they will strike a balance so not to overwhelm their audience or go too far with it, knowing that their customers are expecting a more personalized experience tailored to them. The feature that I find most interesting in CDP and love working with is calculated insights. And the reason is that it allows me to really take a deep dive into what the customer is, engaging with, what they have been doing, and what they're most interested in. And that's an area that allows me to utilize the benefits of CDP. Work smart, not hard. Let the system do the heavy lifting based on the data that we've been able to pull into CDP, organize, and prioritize that. My advice to you, if you're looking to get into CDP, is Trailhead. A lot of information's out there. Salesforce is putting more information on all their products, but especially CDP. New content's coming out all the time. So take a look at Trailhead, look at the trails, go through those, easy to follow and understand, get a better sense of, is CDP right for you? What does it actually mean? What can it do? The other thing is, before you get started, assuming you have made the decision to move forward, think through, how does the data connect? CDP can do a lot of things. What it can't do is make the important decisions about what's important to you. It can help those decisions become easier if I know, or we know, how to pull that data together, what we think that data should look like, and let CDP do what it does best, and that is connect the dots and provide data-driven opportunities and ideas around where we should be focusing our attention. And if you still want to learn even more, AllCloud is a Salesforce accredited CDP partner. We are happy to help you understand what CDP can do for you and answer those questions for you.